Do you want to make your app like IndriveR? Then check out our latest IndriveR clone 2023. It is having taxi and courier both. You can also disable courier if you don't want. And now choose your drop location, pickup location. It will show you all the nearby vehicles just like a normal taxi app. Choose your vehicle. This is the vehicle I want to choose. Click on right now and now you can choose cash and online, and now it will show you the recommended fare, or you can also offer what price you want to go on. And this is the feature that we have in our IndriveR clone bidding application. And now this booking will go to all nearby driver who are having that vehicle, and now they can skip this ride or they can give their offer. They can plus 10, minus 10, and they can give their offer. And that is how a customer can make a booking and the driver can accept the offer or increase or decrease the offer. And now if the user is okay with the offer, he can accept the offer, and now the ride will start. That is how our IndriveR clone is working. If you are looking for a complete application like this, you can directly WhatsApp us. Number is showing on the screen. And now the driver will start the ride. He will click on start ride like this. And now he will enter the OTP coming in the user app. And that is how you are on the ride. And now you can track it. You can do everything like a normal taxi app. And now the driver will end the trip. And now you can give a 5-star rating, and the driver can also give a 5-star rating. That is how our IndriveR clone 2023 version is working. If you are looking for a complete bidding application where customer can give his own offer and the driver can also give his offer on a taxi, then this is the best app for you. For more, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.